any games they wanted to because they couldn't afford it.
Go to Gamefly.com now. Click the joystick in the top right corner, enter bonus in the box, and get started with a free extended trial. And remember, you can cancel at any time. Production ready to win.
There is no better deal than Gamefly, period.
Baby? Baby? Baby, where are you?
Man, he didn't do it like that.
If you stop all moving around, I can't focus the count.
Hey,
Auntie, did you take a shower? You took a shower!
I'm waiting this movie like that.
Auntie, you promised me. Okay, and I told you that was really, really sexy. Come here. That's what we want. I'm going inside, okay?
I'm recording, though.
Okay. And I want you to make sure I want you to lay out your legs on the block, okay? I want you to get back all of that you washed up in the shower, right? Okay?
Or I can just do this.
That's good. You know what, I'll be the first one to tell you, I didn't think this thing with me and Dante was going to last 6 days, let alone 6 months. Anywho, you're in the shop.
You missing it.
You got some shit. Now, we need to pick out our favorite cup.
You missing it. You missing it.
I need you to get in. Did you hear what I just said? Yes, they're going to be a late test. They said, girlie, I know. Joe would be crushed if he didn't like this. He loves that little boy so much, and I've grown to love him. Okay. I've grown quite fond of him. Thank you. Yeah, I'll give you.
And that was Tracy's dog humping on the stuffed animal.
When they're just